Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to rename projects in ChatGPT. So to start, open ChatGPT on your computer and sign into your account. Next, look at the left sidebar and find the project you want to rename. So click Projects first. Now once you click Projects, find the project you want to rename. So you can hover over it and click the three dots next to it. Now from here, select Project Settings. Next, go to the project name at the top and enter your new name. So once done, you can add instructions, etc. Then click Save, and your name should now be changed. Now, another thing you can do is to click the project. So open the project. Once opened, at the top right corner, select the three dots. Then from the options, select Project Settings. So you can also rename it from here. So click Project Name and rename it, and click Save at the bottom right corner.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
And your project name will be changed. So tip, choose a clear descriptive name so you can easily identify the project later. For example, YouTube scripts, work projects, or travel planning, something like that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.